Ever had that annoying problem where your shower stuff just falls all over the place during your RV trips? Yeah, it's frustrating when the ride gets bumpy and everything on your corner shelves ends up on the floor. Well, this RV shower corner bar can fix that. Its sleek white design fits most bathrooms, and the adjustable adhesive plates work for any corner. The extendable aluminum rod adjusts from 10 to 15.5 inches as needed. Before installing, clean and dry the area. Avoid uneven surfaces for the best hold. Installation is super easy. Just peel the backing from one end with the tab and stick it to your wall at the right height. Next, extend the rod to find the spot for the other end. This corrosion-resistant aluminum bar is built to last. Once you've got the length, just stick it in place. Press down firmly on both ends to make sure it's fully secured. And there you have it. This durable, rust-proof RV shower corner bar is ready to go. No more messy bathroom after parking or scrambling to pack up before hitting the road. Click the link in the description to grab yours today.